Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Dealers. In this lecture, we will talk about the JSON library of the Python. So if you want to get more information about the JSON library, you can also switch to our website. The website is www.salesforcedealers.com. After the opening this page, click on the Learn Python section and, and drag it down and click on JSON library. Okay guys, so in this tutorial, we will learn about the JSON file creation, access the file. JSON stands for the JavaScript Object Notation is the famous data format, is the lightweight file which is used for the storing and return to the single file. So here is the module import is import JSON. So let's start about it. Open the Sublime. So import JSON. So now what we have to do? So person is the info is the name. It's just nothing. It is a dictionary. So name is, suppose its name is Sujit, and take the age. So age is about 20. So you take the language. So Sujit can speak in Hindi and English too. Okay. So now with open person info dot JSON. So it's in the write mode. Okay, so as a as a JSON file. Okay guys, so now JSON dot dump is a person info into the JSON file. Okay guys, so let's run this program. So now it is successfully created this file. You can see it's a Sujit, and now check the file type. So it is a JSON file. Okay guys, so let's talk about how to load this file. If you want to load this file, it's very simple. So import JSON, apps to open, give the file name. File name is a person info dot JSON. Okay guys, so now data is equals to JSON dot load app. So now print the data and close the file app dot close. So run this program. So now you can see my data successfully load. If you want to access any specific file into JSON, you can also do it. So data, suppose I want to access the language. Okay, so let's run this program. So now you can see the Sujit can speak in Hindi and English too. Okay, so let's open this tutorial. So parse JSON convert from the JSON to Python. If you have a JSON string, you can parse it by using the JSON.dump method. So convert from JSON to the Python. So how we will do it? So let's see about it. Okay guys. So here is the method to parsing the data of the JSON. Okay. So let's see. So data is the name. Name is, suppose name is Pankaj. Okay, is age. Suppose age is 26. Now take the education. Okay, so education is the pass out BTech. Okay guys, now what we have to do, parse this object JSON dot load data. Okay guys, now we load the data and print. So parse dot education. Suppose I want to print education. So now you can see it is a success. So no have attribute str. So what is the error? Okay, so we have used a big bracket in this t dot small bracket. Okay guys, now run this again. Not load, it's a load. Okay guys, so run this again. So now you can see we have successfully parsed the JSON to the Python file. Okay guys, convert the from Python to JSON. If you want to convert the from to Python to JSON, how we do it? So let's see. Import JSON. So data supposed to is data is a name same as Rahul. Okay. Now take the age. Age is 34. Suppose. Now it's the education. So what is the education of Rahul? So it's a BTech. Okay guys, so it is my JSON file. Okay, so now what we have to do, parse square to JSON dumps dumps into the data. So now we will print the parse. Okay, so let's run this again. So now you can see it is successfully parsed into the Python file from the JSON. Okay, so next things that okay, open the learn Python section. So open the JSON file library. Okay, so here is a you can convert the Python object of the following type into the JSON. Yeah, it's when you can dictionary, list, upper string, int, float, true, false. You can all the things you can convert into the JSON string so too. Okay, so let's see the program of this. So import JSON. So suppose A is JSON. A is equals to JSON dot dumps. So it's take the name. It is a dictionary. Okay guys, it is opening the dictionary. So take the name. Okay, so now take the another things is the suppose ABC name. Take the name. Okay, Rahul. Now take the age 23 and close this. So it is a dictionary. So print the type of this thing. You can also check the type, okay, and print a, okay. So let's run this again. So it is a dictionary. So class dictionary. Now you can see it is a convert into the JSON string, okay. So now next is a B. Suppose just take, suppose if you want to use the uh, big bracket, okay. So we have to remove these things because it is a dictionary. Dictionary does not having the supporting this thing like that. So, okay. Now it is a dictionary, okay. So same things I'm copy and paste it here, okay guys. So what is the changes is given? So it is a list. So let's run this program. So okay, it's why uh, okay. Let's save this first thing. So now you can see it is a list and name is the same as things. Okay guys. So now it's a list. Now we will talk about let's check the document which is type. It's a tuple. Okay, now we will see the tuple. Open the program again. Just we have to change it's a small bracket with the replace of the big bracket. Okay. Now run this program again. So where is the opening and closing? Okay. Now again. So now you can see this time is a tuple. Okay guys. Now we take the string like hello, and we are passing to the hello in these things. So hello. Okay. Let's run this program. So it is a str right now. Now we will see as the integer number. So it is a 100. Okay. Now we check the 100 and print the a. So what is the type of? So it is a type of integer. Okay. Let's remove this. Okay. So it is an integer number. Now take the 0.11, 0.11. So it is a float. Okay. If I take the true, then it is a true. So it is a boolean type. Okay. If we take like something like let's check the document too. It's a none. Okay. Let's check the none too. So it is a none and it is a null. It is what is that is a null. Basically, none is a considered as a null. So okay. Okay, it is a none type. It is none. Basically, it is a if you check the type, it is a none. So here is the program. You can mention it. Okay, so it is the output. So now when we convert the from the Python to JSON, then the Python object is also converting into the JSON file. So let's see how do we do it about it. Okay, guys. So open import JSON. So data equals to the name, and name is the Divya. Okay, guys. So if you talk about the age, so age is the Divya is age 21. Now it's a take the education. So what education is it? Okay, so this is true, is educated. So job, okay, job is false, no, she is not doing anything right now. Okay, so next is that we use the language. It is a combination of all the things. Okay, guys. So C is know about the English and Hindi too. Okay, guys. So C know about the Hindi and English language too. So talk about the vehicle. Okay, guys. C don't have a vehicle, so it is a none. If we talk about the degree of Divya. Okay. So now we will create the list. First is degree is the B Tech. C done the B Tech. Okay. Okay, the first division. Okay, guys. I will talk about the percentage. First division. Okay. Now you take the percentage. So C is got, it's in the DVI is got a 74.5%. Okay, guys. So let's take close here. Now we will take the stream. So is C is belong to the computer science. Okay, guys. So now print JSON.dump is the data. Okay, so let's print this data. So if you print this thing, so now you can see it's invalid, syntax invalid. So here we are forgetting to use this thing. Now here we also doing same like, so let's run again. Okay, so dumps, not a dump. Okay, so now you can see it is a, this JSON file is a looking like Python. So guys, in now printing value with the proper indentation. If you use the proper indentation, so how we do it? So yeah, you use the indent equals to 5, then run this again. Now you can see it is coming on with the proper indentation. Okay, guys. If you are the printing the value with the separator, it's mean if you want to use the separator, then you can also do it like a separator. Okay. Equal. Okay. Then done. So you can see it is a, at the last it is give the com dot. Okay, so it is a, why but because we have using the separator. If you want sorting these things by the key, you can also do it. Use the indentation to erase the separator. Sort, it is not required to erase. I'm just erasing it. Sort row. Now you can see I'm sorting this thing. So here is the opening and closing issue. Okay, here I have problem. So you can see now it is a age, it's a D, now is a key, so E, J, L, and V. And if you have seen the previous thing, so it is the name, age, education, job, language. So in this thing, according to the alphabet, is the sorting the successfully by the key. So that's it for this session, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, love this video. So thanks for my watching video. Thanks, guys.